Hello my bro, I'm Robin. This double line killed roll forming machine is finished. You can see this is a combined 3-ton manual decaller. You can see double head. And this is the feeding part. The feeding part of the roller's material is stainless steel. And this have 4. And you can see 10 roller stations. 10 roller stations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is a straightening. Let the products be straight. See, this is the cutting knife. The size is already measured. Fit your request. Later we will test this machine. And this is a PLC computer control system. And this is a PLC box. Hydraulic stations with cooling fan. Motors. This is the hydraulic station motors. You can see the power. And this is a servo cutting motor. You can see this cutting knife can cut the products with high speed. And in this machine, it's very tidy. Every part is tidy. And when the machine arrived, you only need to connect the main power wire. And then you can use these machines very easily. The driving part is gear with chain. It's very stable and it can use for a long time. And in this one, also 10 roller stations. The roller material is GCR 12 MOV. Very similar than SKD 11. Also in this part, PLC control system, servo motor, hydraulic station with motors. And the main motors is in the bottom of the machines. So this machine is very tidy and all the wires is already connected. Oil pipes, quality is good. This is the testing finished products. Later we will measure the sizes.